Filipino translation that sounds funny, but it actually makes sense.
What?
Mom, there's a stranger. Mama, my mama. Brand new shrimp paste. Bagong. Dad is barefooted. Nakapasa, papa. Amazing mangoes. Nakakamanga. Maybe it's beef. Baka. The sun rises every day. Sumisila ang araw. Gabi eats taro every night. Kumakain ng gabi si Gabi ng gabi-gabi. Oh, I didn't know this is a plate. Ay, plato. There's a full moon every month. May kabilugan ng buwan. I got wet while reading. Nabasa ako habang nagbabasa. Stand up, it's our turn. Tayo na. Extra crispy string beans. Sobrang lutong na piniritong utong. Is gonna jump in a waterfall with his pants while holding an eggplant. Tatalon si Is sa talunan na nakapantalon na habang hawak ang talon.